Hey guys, hope you're having a wonderful Friday. Welcome back to the channel, DXB Crypto here again. Now, interestingly, this is considered to be, for me, a very, very good opportunity to buy Kaspa, right? The price has been coming down a bit. It's gone as low as just under so still within that 16 cents, holding very strong. And you can see it's starting to shoot up again. But I've got an interesting pattern for you today, so you don't want to miss this. Smash a like, guys. It's just before the weekend, and let's get into it. So the metrics are quite bullish, guys. I want to go straight to the chart because the numbers are pretty clear. So we need to isolate Kaspa in moves, okay? And isolating Kaspa in moves will make absolutely more sense as to why this is one of the strongest projects out there. And so I'm extremely bullish on it. That goes without saying. But Kaspa is starting to show another phase of bullish metrics, okay? Which only tells me that it's only a matter of time before one of these unbelievable candles or candles are printed with the next breakout. And everything is going to be on the price of Bitcoin, because Kaspa is now officially in tandem with Bitcoin. It's in that dance. If Bitcoin goes up, it goes up. Bitcoin comes down, Kaspa tends to correct. Okay. So I think for me, there are three massive opportunities to pick up Kaspa, and potentially four. So let's go back in time. So if you look at Kaspa, yeah, in these early days, so you'd have a run up. Okay, let's go zoom into this, guys, because it's honestly, it will make you feel super bullish on why this project is going to do so well. So let's go here. So you can see here, Kaspa runs up, okay? And as it runs up massively, and it ever corrects so slightly. So in this particular metric that I've got here, you can see Kaspa went up and up and up, and then it had a gradual downward action, and that happened every time, guys, every single time. So in the early days, you've had that run, and then you can see here, volume spikes, boom, Kaspa goes all the way to where it needs to go. But look at this, just a gentle correction, okay? And then obviously we had that again. Volume comes into the market here. Kaspa goes up gradually, nothing too crazy, goes sideways forever, just like the one that we had from the 10 cents range, all right? And then it corrects a little bit, but look at the correction. It's just ever so slight and doesn't really capitulate at any phase. Even if you consider an average 30% pullback, it's absolutely nothing. Absolutely nothing. Then it goes on this massive accumulation. So this was like when it was just the 4 cents forever. And it was kind of giving people that G-Fal vibes here. Yeah. Going sideways, and then the volume spikes, and then a crazy breakout. All right. So if we isolate those into 4 distinctive moves, like 1, 2, 3, and 4, then obviously you've had this now correction here where it's been going sideways. 10 cents was like too good to be true for people. You know, the true fair value gap of Kaspa was way under 9 cents, 8 cents when it was just trading at the 10 cents price. But then what you got volume coming in, massive breakout. And then what we're doing right now, you can see that the volume is here. So got that candle. And I think we're going to go something like this, where we go sideways and then boom. All right. So that's why I think Bitcoin is the ultimate deciding factor on how fast we get to 19 cents and then ultimately 20. I'm probably eyeing up a price of over here, 20 cents plus. 25 cents would be absolutely insane. Having said that, so overall, where do I see things going? So Kaspa is basically, after enjoying this unbelievable run in February, prices have started to retrace in the last 3 days, which is perfect, and around that 16 cent mark. Now, Bitcoin, on the other hand, is going sideways around 51,000. And that's 6 days of consolidation at near $52,000 level. All right. Now, what's going to happen is this. So the on-chain data shows Kaspa is obviously showing signs for preparing for another explosive move. That's why I'm actually, apart from, buying Kaspa, I'm actually also long on the futures. All right. Got a very good entry price on that, and I'm going to hold that for a bit. Now, what's going to happen next? So for me, the next target is to smash through the all-time highs again, go over 20 cents, and potentially target that 25 cents mark. Okay. Now, will that happen for me? Yes, as long as Bitcoin continues holding this level. And the signs are, to be honest with you, Bitcoin has been holding this level and will continue to hold that level unless we get a major black swan event that sends us back to the dark ages. Even if we have a big correction, I don't think we'll dip below 46. 48 to 46 is probably where things are. So my Kaspa warning here is, if you've missed any of these waves, okay, do not despair, because when you zoom out in the bull market, Kaspa's price is going to look something like this, even better. Okay, so if you go to Solana, let's see if we can get a 12 week here. So I'm probably thinking it's going to look something like this. The run up is going to be so violent. We're probably here with Kaspa somewhere here now. Okay. We've not had that explosive move up. So if you compare this, I think this is what we're going to see. And in my opinion, right now, this is where we're focused with Kaspa. Most people are looking at candles, and I think this is realistically where we are, somewhere here. Okay, it's not a direct comparison to Solana, but really from there, what I'm trying to show you is Kaspa could do something like this and continue to run and continue to run and run and run and run. So in my opinion, this is where the X gains are going to come from. But from a local perspective, I don't even think we're here yet. I think for me, we're somewhere further down the line if you're comparing it to Solana, especially back in the days. All right. So the question that I wanted to answer today, the question that I get most of the time, am I too late for Kaspa? Absolutely not. Kaspa could be something worth in the region of, third place in cryptocurrency. Real cryptocurrencies with utilities out there. Everybody knows Kaspa's position is absolutely on the will be there one day. Now, if we look at the top 100 cryptocurrencies, okay, that's actually warranted its place. That's absolutely fine. So you got the world store of value, you got the world smart contract platform, and then you got stuff like Tether, obviously stable coin. Let's skip that. BNB is gone. In my opinion, Kaspa takes that any day. Kaspa takes over Solana. XRP is a stable coin. And then I'm starting to look and see where the real competition for Kaspa is. And if you consider all of this, I don't see anything. From 26, I can see this shooting all the way down to second place. Now the question remains, in this cycle, I think Kaspa would be the third most valuable cryptocurrency in the entire industry. Okay, it will do probably something in the region of 100 billion, around that. Now, if these obviously Solana has to, if people are saying Solana is going to 10x from where it is currently, you know, if we see $1,000 Solana, that market cap is significantly bigger. But what I'm talking about is in this cycle, Kaspa could be in the conversation for this top 6, right? So anyway, in this top 6, now something drastic has to happen for Cardano to only do 2x, because that's the only way I think Kaspa would beat it in terms of market cap, right? So my argument is this: whether you're holding Kaspa for this cycle or whether you're holding it for the long term, you have to understand, for the people that are holding it just for the short term, I honestly think you've got something akin to the early days of Bitcoin or Ethereum. You should hold on to it till the bull market. Of course, we're going to have a correction. We're going to have another correction. We're going to have a crash. That's how cryptocurrencies work. But you have to safeguard your the future of your cryptocurrency. And I think holding Kaspa in about 10 years' time, people will look back on it and they would say, okay, I'm glad I didn't, even if you've missed Bitcoin or Ethereum or anything like that, or Sol, everybody, especially retail, will be happy that they got into a fair launch project like this. So that's my Kaspa video today, guys. Let me know what you think. And I've got other stuff coming for you, but I've got to break it into pieces. So God bless you all. Have a lovely Friday. And I'll catch you on the next one, guys.